welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be tackling a problem that a lot of new YouTubers are facing on these YouTube streets. So we are going to be tackling it, we're going to be talking about it, and I'm going to be giving you solutions on how to solve it. If you've ever joined any group, any platform that does all this sub for sub, hmm, I'm going to tell you how it's going to ruin your channel. If you're someone that always move from all this WhatsApp, all this other platform to get people to sub on your channel, yes, you get the subscriber, but I'm going to show you how it's going to ruin your channel. So if you're someone like that, you have to still see the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you how that is one of the biggest mistakes that you can make on your content journey. Do you know that once YouTube see a lot of subscribers on your channel, a lot of people subscribing to your channel, and they are not watching your video all the way through, do you know it automatically tells them that your video is not interesting, that they should not promote that video, they should not share it to other people because people are not watching it to the end, they are just browsing through your video. So it's going to ruin you. Doing sub for sub is going to ruin you totally. Totally. I'm going to tell you things you can do instead of doing sub for sub. So doing sub for sub is going to give you low watch time. Let's say 100 people are subscribing to your channel in a minute, and out of the 100 people, it's only 2 or 5 people that even click to watch a video. And after watching it for 5 seconds, they just move on to another channel. You know, YouTube is getting an idea that that content, that your channel is a weak channel, and YouTube is not going to recommend it for anyone. They are not going to recommend it. Nobody is going to see that video again because automatically that video is going to flat down. Nobody is going to watch videos on your channel anymore. So people doing sub for sub, nobody is going to come there and genuinely tell you that they watch your video from the beginning to the end. They are not going to watch that video from the beginning to the end. Even if they tell you that, some are going to lie to you. They are basically lying to you. So I had a channel one time that I was doing sub for sub. I was new on YouTube. I was doing sub for sub on the channel. I was just going from Telegram to WhatsApp. I was joining all these YouTube groups. I was begging people to sub to my channel. I was posting my video link there that please watch this video and subscribe to my channel. Do you know, even after they subscribed to my channel, YouTube went back and removed all those subscribers and even removed more than the people that actually subscribed to my channel because they thought they were robots. YouTube got scared that why is many people coming on this channel and nobody's even watching the video? They just join watching it through a link. Do you know there's a way that YouTube knows that people that are coming into your channel to watch a video are coming from external source? Do you know there's a way YouTube does that? So when YouTube sees that your main source are already people that are already on YouTube platform, you're going outside to bring in people to come and watch or subscribe to your channel, they are not going to recommend your video to any other person again. They are not going to recommend your channel again. And the people that are even going to come there, they are going to see them as robot. They are going to see that they are going to think that you're paying people to come on your channel to sub for you. So YouTube is going to remove those sub and they are not going to count. Even if it does not remove those sub, you're not going to get any watch hour because nobody is going on sub for sub group to watch people's video. They're just going there to sub for you and lie to you that they've watched your video. Nobody's going to watch your video till the end. So don't do sub for sub at all. Don't do it at all. It's going to cause low audience retention for you. Low audience retention. Once you have that audience retention, once it is low, YouTube is not going to recommend that video again. That means that video is bad. That means your channel is bad. For people to just go in there, sub and not come back to watch your video another time. That means you're paying people to come and watch your video and YouTube is against that. And if that's what you are doing, those kind of people from that sub for sub group, do you think after posting another video, they will come back again to watch another video? No, because you only told them to come for sub for that particular time. Next video that you are going to post, they are not going to be interested because they are not your main audience. That's not the kind of thing that they are interested in watching. So they are just there to sub for you. After subbing, nothing else. You'll see some people. I've seen many YouTube channel having 100,000 or more than 100,000 subscribers, and people watching their video are not even up to 100. Have you seen it too? If you've seen it, let me know in the comment section. You see some channel having 5,000 subscribers, and the only people watching their video, they are not even up to 10. You see 10 views, 20 views, 50 views, and you be like, me that I'm even below 5,000 subscriber, I'm even having more than this view. So that's what's happening to them. They probably did sub for sub. That's one of the reasons why they are having low view. So all dis sub for sub, most of them are just there for sub. Nobody, they are not going to stay and like your videos. They are not going to stay and comment on your videos. They are not going to stay and watch your video. You can't tell me that sub for sub, going for sub, and that person is going to stay for on your video for 5 minutes. No, they are not going to stay. They are all just moving along with the trend. They are following that sub for sub. Dat time that they are going to use to watch that your video, they are going to go and sub for other people too and get subscribers. So it's going to ruin you at the long run, because they are not coming back to watch your video. They will just be there for sub sake, but for watch hour they are not going to be there, and they are going to harm your channel, because other videos are not going to perform well, because YouTube is not going to recommend your video. Once YouTube sees that they are not spending 5 seconds on your video, people are not spending, why is everybody coming here and not spending time? You are not going to get any loyal fan, any loyal subscriber from sub for sub. You can't get it. You can't get before you get a loyal fan from sub for sub group, out of 100 people, before you see one person that is loyal, that will subscribe, like, comment and turn on notification, and even come back to your other video anytime you post another video and watch till the end or middle sef, you would have spent almost 1 week before you can see one loyal subscriber from that sub to sub that you are doing. So let me mention the things. Let me mention the things they can do instead of doing sub for sub. Instead of going everywhere to look for sub for sub. Instead of looking for people that are not interested in those type of content that you're about to start making, or that you already have on your channel. Instead of sub for sub, try shorts. Try doing shorts on something that is related to the type of content, to the type of long form video that you want to start making. Start doing shorts. Post shorts consistently, at least 3 to 5 shorts. Post it. You're going to see difference. People are going to subscribe from your shorts, instead of going around on WhatsApp, on other platform looking for subscribers. Make a good title. Have a good title on your video. Have a good thumbnail, a clickable thumbnail, a attractive thumbnail. It's something that someone is going to say as, let me check this video. You see some people on their thumbnail, they are looking dull. They are not, I'm not saying you should not look dull. You can look dull if that is the type of video that thumbnail is for. Maybe you're talking about something that you have to look dull for. Yes, you can look. So post a good thumbnail. And before you upload your video on YouTube, change the file name. YouTube is also part of Google. So, and people go on Google to search. You see some people searching for content on Google instead of coming to YouTube. Not everybody is on YouTube. Some people go on Google to search for content. They will go there and search for, let's say, how to make white rice. You'll see people searching on Google for that. And once they search, if you use a file name to upload your video on YouTube, YouTube is going to bring that link, that your YouTube link. That means you're automatically advertising your content on Google too. So post your content on YouTube with a file name. If you just leave it like that, after editing your content on CapCut or InShot, you're just posting it straight without changing the file name. It's going to have all these letters and alphabet, and it's not going to be searchable on Google. So change the file name. Put a good clickable and searchable file name there, so that once people search on Google, they are going to see that file. YouTube is going to direct them automatically. Once they click on that thing, it's going to take them to your channel. And by watching that video, by solving that problem, that person might subscribe to your channel. They might subscribe to your channel and watch other videos too. So do all these things, and also use a playlist. Let's say somebody come from Google now, Google to search, and the content is already on a playlist. After watching that particular playlist, instead of suggesting other people's video, YouTube is going to automatically bring in another video on that playlist. So have a playlist So that once that person say that, I've watched first video, second video of this person and I like that type of content, the person is going to automatically subscribe to your channel. So have a playlist and post consistently. Don't post a video and go offline for a month and come back after a month. No, post consistently. There are people that take this YouTube as a 9 to 5 job. They come here every day, they show up every day. There's no way you won't show up every day. Even within 6 months, you're going to get monetized. Show up every day, bring value every day, post searchable content, post things people are searching for. Even after 10 years, someone is still searching for it. YouTube is going to recommend video that's searchable. So focus on building a community, focus on having loyal fans, focus on people that are going to come back on your content. Even if you have 5 views, 5 good views is better than having 100 views of people that are not watching your video all the way through, that are not even spending 10 seconds of watching your video. Having 5 people that is going to watch your video all through or to the middle is even better than all those people that are just going to click through your video. Even if your growth feels slow, you're going to still make it. You're building something that lasts long, that lasts forever, that is evergreen. So don't get discouraged. When after spending much time on YouTube and you still did not grow on YouTube, don't feel discouraged. After spending like, let's say, 6 months and you're not seeing changes on your subscriber count, don't post 5 shots and after posting 5 shots, you see that you're not seeing subscriber and you just abandon that channel. No, be consistent. Post back to back. Build something that lasts forever. Build something that even after 5 years, people are still going to come back to it. If you take YouTube as a job, it's going to reward you totally. If you see that you posted a video and you're not getting subscriber, you don't know that video that is going to give you millions of subscribers, thousands of subscribers, hundreds of subscribers. So keep posting, don't give up. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and hit that subscription button. Leave a comment for me also. I'm going to reply you. I reply all comments by myself. I'm going to reply you in the comment section. Let me know how I can help you in your YouTube journey. Connect with other YouTubers under the comment section. See you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.